In the next 2 minutes, I am going to show you how to recover your Apple ID password without calling the support or using any website. If your iPhone or your Mac is asking for your Apple ID password and you don't remember it, just relax. As long as you have your Apple device, you're safe. Apple is strict, but not that much heartless. This thing happened to me many a times and I always use this official method and it works instantly. You can do it on any of your Apple device and I'm using my iPhone 15 for this one. So first of all, open up your settings and here you can see your name at the top. Here go to sign in and security. You will see the option of change password. Tap on it. Now your iPhone will ask you your screen lock password. Just enter the passcode. Finally, just create a new Apple ID password. And that's it. Your Apple ID password is recovered. This one is the official and the safest method to do the same. And this one will always work on your trusted devices. No data loss, no account lock. So if you ever lost your password again, you will know exactly what to do. Don't get stressed, don't guess the password, just follow these simple steps. Save this one for the future. And if you find this video useful and informative, just hit the like button, comment down your thoughts and queries if any, and what else, just subscribe to our channel for more such content. I will meet you in the next one.